Yo, no lie, I'm not even gonna lie, I haven't been this excited about something in like such a long time. But yo, I'm about to go pick up the fucking Tesla right now. Oh my God. It's gonna drive myself home.
No cat rocks. Yeah, it's some twin shit. PG. Oh, no cat rocks.
I'ma shine without my diamonds, you know?
They know that I'm not from the
I feel like Eddie, you know what I'm saying?
AK-47 came with them dick. Trap in the city, but I'm not from the seat. I'm dripping, slipping, bitch.
We got the Tessie, baby. We got the Tessie. Hold on, look at the little X for the key, baby. Model X. Go ahead, open that thing. Woo! With the doors going up on a Tuesday. Wow, hold on, we in the Tessie with it right here, baby. Look it, we in the Tessie with it. We in the back though. I'm chilling back here. We got the trunk space and all that. You heard? We got the trunk space and all that. What y'all talking about, baby? Damn, this shit is fucking fire, bro. I'm setting up the settings right now. Valet mode, create driver profile. All right, so let's create a cave driver profile. I'm pretty sure you could talk to it. Hey, Tesla. All right, whatever. All right, what else we got here? Okay, recharge. All right, we have 69%. Oh, I could raise my car up a little bit. I turned on the autopilot. Additional cameras calibrating. Oh, they're still calibrating. Speed limit warning off. We don't need none of that shit. Walk away auto lock on. F is Joe mode. Glove box pin. What games do I have? I have badminton, chess. Oh, they have Spotify on here? Okay, this is for the seats. Oh, heated seats. Yo, bro, this is like a really, really proud moment for me because when I started college 4 years ago as a freshman, I told myself that when I graduated school, I was gonna get a Tesla. And I always thought I was gonna get like a Model 3, you know, something that's not too expensive, but like, I've been working really hard and I've been doing so much for so many other people that like, you know what, I felt like it was time for me to do what I had to do. So here we are. We got a fucking Tessie, bitch.
Treat yourself.
We just left the food truck. The food truck is right behind us. Came to stop by, show my mom, show everybody. We about to drive around now, baby. Let's go. Let's go! Oh, the camera! I dropped the camera! It is very quiet. The car is very quiet. You can't really hear anything. Like, I'm gonna be quiet. Shh. Silence! Doesn't have that engine noise. Super chill. Nice smooth bobs, baby. This shit is fire. This shit is fire! Yo, this shit is hard. But it's kind of crazy because look, like it shows you when there's a car appearing next to you or if there's something next to you. Like for example, look, if I get a little too close to this thing right here, it starts making noises. Yeah, you see the little red thing? I'm gonna hit the floor. Woo! Woo! Boy, we just went from the red light to 60 mad fast. Hold on, one more game for y'all. For y'all at home who missed it. One more game, watch. All right, boom. We at 0. Well, we at about 5. Woo-hoo, baby! Baby! That's fast! That's fast! Tesla, Elon! I love you!
Love you too.
This is driving its motherfucking self. Let me hit the left blinker, Look, this motherfucker's switching lanes. This motherfucker switched lanes! He fucking switched! He fucking switched lanes! Here we go, watch. Boom, you ready? All right, boom. Right here, we're gonna put on the right signal. Bro, the fucking shit is switching. It's fucking switching, bro. Bro, it's literally driving itself right now, bro. It's staying in the lanes. I'm not doing anything, I'm kicking it. I'm kicking it right now. I had to take the heat off because I didn't want them things to get dirty, you feel me? No creases, no leases. No creases, no leases, baby. We own the cars. Hold on, y'all want me to go left lane again? Hold on, I'ma switch with my feet. I'ma switch with my motherfucking toes. stop playing with me, bitch. How the f? Bro, I'm about to roll up. I'm about to roll up and get the blizzard poppin'. Holy shit. Holy shit. I gotta go charge up though. I only got about 40%. Oh my god, this is fucking insane. Alright, so boom, I'm about like 3-4 months into having the Tesla now, and let me give y'all my review on it. I like it. I definitely like it. It could be a little difficult charging it sometimes because there's no charging stations in the city. Like, the only charging stations I've found are in the middle of parking garages, so it's mad inconvenient. So I can only charge my car in Jersey, and it takes about an hour to charge. You know, that's a little bit of time, so I got to definitely set up and post up somewhere to really charge the car. But I like it. I definitely like the car. I think it's the best car I've ever had. It's definitely, I could fit everything back there. I done fit so many sneakers back there, it's crazy. I probably wouldn't get a different car, even if I had the opportunity to, because this is just so fire. The doors go up, everything about this car is so fire. I would definitely say it's a 9 out of 10, definitely a 9 out of 10. There's a couple like technological type of issues it can have because it's really a computer for the most part.
Technology.
And you know, computers do lag and computers do have problems. I'll notice sometimes like the screen will lag, or like it'll take a little bit for the GPS to display, or just like a bunch of little technological issues, like I said, like some freezing and stuff. Sometimes it takes a little bit for it to detect the key in the car. It's just like a bunch of small stuff. But for the most part, I love this car, to be honest with you. I definitely wouldn't get another car. Yo, Tesla, shout out to you, because y'all know exactly what you're doing and y'all really know how to make a car. I love y'all.
Love you too.
You're awesome.
Who's that Pokemon?
It's Pikachu!
It's Caveism.
Alright, so we just got to the exhibit, the Daniel Arsham exhibit. Just did like cool Pokemon stuff. Let's go check some of the stuff out. Whoa, wait a minute. What?
I see now that the circumstances of one's birth are irrelevant. It is what you do with the gift of life that determines who you are.
I love you!
Love you too.
You're awesome.
Week one. Alright, so we back. We doing a live cop right now. I'm gonna try to bot these week one Supreme shits. I'm using Cyber right now. I bought some proxies. I didn't buy too many. I only bought 25. I'm about to set up some tasks. Chalk, hooded, category, sweatshirts, random color, 1, Pookie mode. I'm gonna do some in fast mode. I'm only gonna do 25 right now. Alright, so I'm collecting data, as you can see on the screen. Generating ticket, collecting data. Yeah, I'm just getting a bunch of collecting data. I don't know what the that means. Oh, adding a cart. Oh, I'm getting some adding. Oh, waiting for captures. Oh, hold on, I'm solving captures. Yo, Supreme is tripping. These hard ass captures, what in the f? I got checking outs. I got some checking outs. Error for restock, checking out. Processing payment failed. Payment failed. Invalid billing. Payment failed. Why am I getting payment failed? All right, let's try to check out the rest of these teas. I'm using another address. Please wait. Process payment. What the f? What did it just do? I literally can't check out anything, bro. Welcome to week 1 of Supreme, y'all. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. There's not really anything you do, huh? I'm definitely going to Supreme tomorrow, that's for damn sure. I'll go there and get a lot of motherfucking teas. I'll tell you that much. Please wait. Processing. Cancel. Nice. Didn't work. Cool. Oh, hey, we ordered some motherfucking teas. Nice. We got a spiral tea, a mouse tea, a ear tea, a HNIC tea, a crest tea, a 5 barrels tea, a wind tea, and a skeleton tea. Alright, we got about damn near 40 teas. That's a good day in my books. Yo, you cyber, this bot is stupid as I don't even know why I do it. Manual boys till the motherfucking day that I die, boy. Yo, appreciate y'all for tapping in. I'll do another video when everything comes in. I'll show you guys all the teas. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yo, love y'all. Comment below. Let me know what y'all got.